channel, and my name is Amee. So today we are going to open a new parcel. So this is an IPL permanent hair removal machine. So let's unbox it. I bought this from Shopee. It costs 2,320 with shipping fee.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, baby. How can I open this one? This is so
So this is the machine that I ordered, and it comes with 990,000 shots, and I can use it on my legs, on my back, on my arms, on the underarms, and on the face. So this one, and this is the skin tones. So you can see the different types of skin tones. Now let us see what's inside. So this one is the manual for the instructions, and oh, it's color pink. I like color pink. And the adapter. So I will read and study the manual on how to use the machine. I will update you, tell you about the results. That's all, and I will see you. Take care.